After 60, many people quietly say the same thing. I sleep, but I still feel tired. Maybe you wake up in the morning and your body just doesn't feel as energized as it used to. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. But the answer usually isn't more coffee, more supplements, or pushing your body harder. Often, it's the small daily habits that quietly influence how much energy you feel. Today, I'll share 5 gentle and natural ways to help restore steady energy after 60. These are simple habits your body understands and responds to naturally. Why energy changes after 60. As we age, the body's daily rhythm becomes more sensitive. Energy levels begin to respond more strongly to things like sleep quality, movement throughout the day, hydration, natural light exposure, and stress levels. Small disruptions in these areas can make the body feel more tired than usual. But the encouraging part is this: small improvements in these habits can create noticeable changes in energy. You don't need dramatic routines. Often, steady energy comes from simple adjustments. Let's look at 5 gentle habits that support the body's natural rhythm. 1. Start your morning with natural light. One of the most powerful signals for energy is light. Natural morning light helps regulate the body's internal clock. This clock controls when you feel alert and when you feel sleepy. After 60, that rhythm can become slightly weaker. But even a small amount of morning light can help reset it. Within about 30 minutes of waking, try to expose your eyes to natural daylight. This might mean opening the curtains, stepping outside for a few minutes, standing near a window while drinking water. You don't need intense sunlight, just natural brightness is enough. This simple habit helps support better alertness, improved mood, more stable energy throughout the day. It's one of the easiest changes you can make. 2. Hydrate before your first coffee. Many people reach for coffee immediately after waking, but the body often wakes up slightly dehydrated. During sleep, we go many hours without drinking water. Even mild dehydration can feel like fatigue. Before your first coffee or tea, try drinking 1 full glass of water. This small habit helps support healthy circulation, mental clarity, energy balance. Sometimes tiredness is not true exhaustion. Sometimes it's simply the body asking for hydration. Water gives your system the signal that the day has begun. 3. Add gentle midday movement. Energy is closely connected to circulation. When we sit for long periods, circulation slows. And when circulation slows, energy often drops. After 60, the body responds well to gentle movement throughout the day. This doesn't mean intense exercise. It simply means avoiding long stretches of sitting. Try adding a short 10-minute walk, gentle stretching, standing and moving around the house. Even small movements help increase oxygen flow and circulation. Many people notice that movement actually creates energy rather than draining it. Your body was designed to move regularly. Small moments of activity keep the system awake and balanced. 4. Balance your evening meals. Energy during the day is closely connected to sleep during the night.
And sleep quality can be affected by what we eat in the evening. Heavy or very late meals may cause the digestive system to work harder overnight. After 60, digestion can slow slightly, which makes this even more noticeable. Instead of large, late dinners, consider balanced meals,
moderate portions, eating a little earlier when possible. This allows the body to focus more on rest rather than digestion during the night. Better sleep often leads to steadier energy the following day. 5. Protect your sleep rhythm. One of the most important influences on energy is rhythm. The body thrives when daily patterns are consistent. A predictable sleep routine helps the brain know when it's time to wind down. This may include going to bed at a consistent time, lowering lights in the evening, creating a calm, wind-down routine. When your body recognizes a familiar pattern, it prepares itself for rest. And restful sleep supports stronger energy the next day. Think of your daily rhythm as a gentle cycle. Sleep supports energy, and energy supports healthy daily activity. Final thoughts. Energy after 60 is not about intensity, it's about stability. You don't need extreme routines or complicated programs. Often, the most helpful habits are the simplest ones. Morning light, hydration, gentle movement, balanced evening meals, consistent sleep rhythm. When these small habits begin working together, the body naturally becomes more balanced. Energy improves not because you force it, but because you support the body in the ways it understands best. If you've been feeling more tired lately, try starting with just one of these habits this week. Small changes practiced consistently can make a meaningful difference over time. And remember, healthy aging isn't about pushing your body harder, it's about supporting it wisely. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe and turn on all notifications so you never miss the next video from ThriveFitUSA. Together, we're learning simple ways to sleep better, feel stronger, and age with calm confidence.